So, Kingdom Come, Hillsong United, E minor, relative minor of G, E minor. The intro slash interlude after the chorus, you play it for the intro, and then you play it after the chorus. Starts on B12. I'll play it full speed first, and then slow it down. Okay, so starts on B12, and you're going up to the G14, which is an A, so B and A. Then you're going to the 15th on the B. Then you're on the 12th on the E string. Then you're doing a walk down from G. That's the first half. You do that again, but the ending's a little different. So the second time, same thing. Here's the second ending part's a little different. First part's the same. You drop down to the 7th and then up to the 9th. So it's on the second time. And then you just do a slide out and you're at your verse. So the pre-chorus, it starts on a D note. So there's different ways you could play this. I mean, you could start on B15. It's just a walk up. You could start on B15. You could start on D12. You could start on G5. So you can pick wherever a D note is, you can start there. It's just a walk up. D to E to F sharp. Sorry. Why am I not? This doesn't sound right. G, A, B, C. Sorry, not the 5th fret. The 7th fret is a D. Yeah. So 7th fret of the G string. That's just the pre-chorus. We live for you, live your truth. You just repeat that. And then you're at your chorus. So same thing, you could do it up here. Whether you want it higher or not. But that's all for Kingdom Come, Hillsong United.